Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 people that became billionaires thanks to Bitcoin. I also placed in the description below a link of training I believe is the best crypto trading out there. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Bitcoin is a digital asset payment system with a market capitalization of around $881.85 billion as of today. It is considered by many to be one of the most successful digital currencies ever created. The first ever Bitcoin exchange traded fund, ETF, was launched in October 2021, pushing the cryptocurrency to a new all-time high. Bitcoin's stratospheric rise since 2009 has created a surprising and diverse set of millionaires. These millionaires have made money by creating products to grow Bitcoin's still nascent ecosystem. For example, some have created exchanges for trading the cryptocurrency and its derivatives. Others have used it to create financial products and tokens that have minted millions. Their products and services have benefited from a surge in popularity and price for Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin was and still is a risky asset class. The absence of regulatory guardrails and the cryptocurrency's price volatility have attracted criminals and investors alike. But those drawbacks only serve to highlight the achievements of Bitcoin millionaires because they not only were early adopters, but also predicted its economic opportunity. So here's a list of the 5 of the world's top Bitcoin billionaires. Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried's ascent to crypto billionaire status has been fairly rapid. The 29-year-old MIT grad founded FTX, one of the world's most popular crypto exchanges, in 2019, and he was estimated to be worth $26.5 billion in October 2021 by Forbes. FTX differentiates itself from competition by offering a slate of innovative products unavailable at other exchanges. This mix includes sophisticated derivatives, digital tokens of physical stock, and pre-initial public offering contracts. Bankman-Fried generated headlines when he made a donation of more than $5 million to current U.S. President Joe Biden's campaign in 2020. He is a California native and vegan who calls himself an effective altruist, someone who maximizes his social impact across a broad range of societal initiatives. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss parlayed the millions that they earned from their lawsuit against Facebook into cryptocurrencies. They became the first billionaires in the crypto ecosystem after the late 2017 surge in Bitcoin price. Forbes estimated their net worth at $5 billion each. While most of their estimated wealth came from investment in cryptocurrencies, the Winklevoss twins are also entrepreneurs who started the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange was valued at $7.1 billion after its $400 million fundraising in November 2021. They also own Nifty Gateway, a platform to buy and sell non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Barry Silbert. Barry Silbert is the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and founder of Digital Currency Group, DCG. Forbes lists his net worth as $1.6 billion. The company's mission is to accelerate the development of the global financial system. It does this by building and supporting Bitcoin and blockchain companies. Through DCG, Silbert has broadened his reach across various industries. One is media. In January 2016, DCG acquired CoinDesk, a leading source of Bitcoin news, which runs the annual Bitcoin industry conference, Consensus. Silbert's company also owns Genesis, a market-making and trading firm focused on digital currencies, and Grayscale, a company focused on digital currency investing. Silbert also started Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, an ETF that tracks the price of Bitcoin. The total number of assets under management, AUM, for Grayscale surged to more than $20 billion during the pandemic. Analysts at JP Morgan have even said that the trust holdings are key to determining Bitcoin price. Silbert has invested in more than 100 Bitcoin and blockchain-related companies, leading himself the enviable nickname, the King of Crypto. Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong is the founder of Coinbase, North America's biggest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. He co-founded this exchange in 2012 after quitting his job as a software engineer in Airbnb. Armstrong has a 19% stake in Coinbase and is estimated to be worth $10.4 billion by Forbes in January 2022. In its billionaire index, Bloomberg had Armstrong's net worth as $9.69 billion in the same time period. Due to its ease-to-use interface and credibility, Coinbase is considered the gateway for retail investors to join the crypto ecosystem. The exchange has suffered many hiccups, such as halts in trading, while attempting to scale operations in the midst of crypto volatility. The exchange went public in April 2021 and had a total market capitalization of $65.961 billion, and the close of trading on January 3, 2022. Armstrong has said that he started Coinbase because he wanted the world to have a global, open financial system that drove innovation and freedom. Michael Saylor. Bitcoin has attracted numerous unconventional investors over the years. None, however, has the zeal and enthusiasm of Michael Saylor, CEO of software firm MicroStrategy Incorporated, MSTR. The firm began acquiring the cryptocurrency in August 2020 by snapping up Bitcoin worth $250 million. At that time, the firm said it was buying the cryptocurrency to make better use of the cash holding on its balance sheet. Over time, Saylor has become a fierce supporter of Bitcoin and appeared on news and cryptocurrency conferences to evangelize its benefits and use cases. By December 2021, MicroStrategy had increased its holdings in Bitcoin to $3.5 billion, swooping in to buy the cryptocurrency during price dips. The strategy has served Saylor and his company well. MicroStrategy's stock price has skyrocketed by more than 337% as of December 2021, since it announced the Bitcoin acquisition. Meanwhile, Forbes estimates Saylor's net worth to be $2.2 billion as a result of his bet on Bitcoin. So guys, this concludes the list of the world's top Bitcoin billionaires. You'll find in the description below the link of what I believe is the best crypto trading training out there. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.